William Ruto has started rebuilding this country from scratch. He found an empty country with nothing. Everything had been spent and stolen. And I want you to pray for President William Ruto, for God to give him wisdom as he rebuilds this country. And I say on that day of inauguration that we pray for William Ruto to return this country where White Tobacco left us. We are in a difficult situation. We are not the ones who borrowed that money, but we have to pay because this money is owned by Kenya. William Ruto is the president of Kenya. He cannot run away from those debts, although he did not income. And that is why these one of people are very dishonest. During the handshake arrangement, when Raila Odinga was co-president, the cost of Odinga was 230 shillings. He never raised a finger. He never called for demonstrations. He never advised Uhuru Kenyatta how to bring the money, the cost down. Today, we have brought the cost of Odinga from 230 to 108. And now he wants to have demonstrations on that issue. Yet he was there when it was 230. Just how foolish does he think Kenyans are? To discuss matters coffee. Again, come up with a solution on how we shall remove cartels and middlemen and brokers between the coffee farmer and the coffee consumer.